So this is the new forge. It is still a hole in the ground. That is the pipe in the bottom with the bellows still gonna feed it. I'll put that bucket there to keep water from getting in the pipe. Also to keep small children from getting impaled on it. That is the dome. I think it's gonna hold up a little better than the kitchen sink. This is the first crucible Tony made. And this one had a hole in it. So here's the new one right here. This one looks a lot better. We straightened the handle out some. Tony is adding biofuel to the combustion chamber. That's better. There it goes. We're gonna try to melt this amount of copper. All right, we're gonna turn on the bellows and see what happens. Does that look like it's getting hotter?
Yep.
This is heavy. No! All right, the crucible has not been knocked over. I'm looking through the hole there. Now we can turn the bellows on.
It looks like those pine boards were coated in some type of lacquer.
This is what's left of the lizard from last time. This thing here only goes up to like 400 degrees. Oh, wow. Feel the heat. This thing is climbing fast, definitely over 400 degrees. I don't want to break the thing.
Yeah.
This is for deep frying. I want you guys to hear this. To hear the sound of the fire down in the bottom of that combustion chamber. It is roaring. I'm gonna take it off and check. I'll just grab it by the handle there. That should be fine.
Yeah. Don't grab it by the handle.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab it by the handle. Handles aren't hot. They're supposed to be not hot.
You better be covered in asbestos.
It's not even connected. Look.
Yeah.
It just goes through a couple of holes there. It's not gonna be hot.
There's not enough ice in the wood.
Tony Spermicelli is going to attempt to move the hood just straight up. Okay. We still got copper wire in there. We don't have liquid yet. And the crucible is not glowing.
I think that the air induction system and the wood that we have for fuel burning is good. I just think we're still losing too much heat from the top.
So I'm thinking it may actually burn hotter without the hood. So I'm gonna try this for a bit, see if it melts that lead and the aluminum. Holy crap, the lead just melted. Yep, we got molten lead, so we can definitely smelt lead. The pop rivet has melted.
Oh.
We're trying this now. We're hanging that crucible down in the combustion chamber. I'm thinking it'll get much hotter faster down in there. We'll see how it goes. But we know we can melt aluminum. We're gonna try to make an aluminum ingot. Right here in the light. Our crucible is glowing and those things are melting.
Holy fucking shit. You scooped all the slag off?
I scooped some of it.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, look at that beautiful aluminum. Look at that.
Or aluminium if you're British. Oh, look at that.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, there's a bubble.
You got air bubble.
It's got a bubble.
Oh.
And no, everybody, this is my aluminum play button.
Came out nice. Look at that disc of aluminum.
Mm-hmm. We set out to do copper. We couldn't quite get to the temperature we needed for that, but we found that we could do lead and aluminum, and there is our aluminum pancake.
Let's do it.
Yay!